Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Brianna. Today I am here with another mug cake video. We are gonna take avocado and put it in a mug cake. So this is going to be a chocolate avocado mug cake. This will be my first time trying it, so let's get into this video. So first, in our microwave safe mug, I'm using my Big Friends one. We're going to put in 3 tablespoons of flour. 1, 2, 3. Next, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of cocoa. 1, 2. Next, we are going to add 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. And finally, for our dry ingredients, we're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. And then after that, we're going to mix all the dry ingredients together. This is what it looks like once all the dry ingredients are mixed together. So let's get into the wet ingredients. So next, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of mashed avocado. And you got to make sure it's ripe. So I'm just going to do it like this because I already mashed it up. And where's my knife? So I can scrape it. That's 1. And then it's harder than I thought it would be to get it in here. There's 2. Sorry for being so noisy. Next, we are adding 3 tablespoons of milk. 1, 2, 3. There we go. And then 1 tablespoon of water. There's 1. And then we add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. And then we're going to mix it all together. There we go. This is what it looks like for all mixed together. And then next we're going to put it in the microwave for 90 seconds to 2 minutes. This is what it looks like when it's all microwaved and done. It smells actually like really good. It doesn't rise as much as I thought it would, but let's get into the taste test. I am really excited to try this. It looks so good. It's very steaming hot. That's really good. Like, you can really taste the chocolate. You can almost, like, it has an interesting texture, I think, because of the avocado, so it's not, like, super cakey, but it's very, very moist. But I'd really recommend this recipe. Hard to believe I just used an avocado. Like, that's just awesome. So if you have any other recipes you want me to try, comment down below. Thank you, and have a nice day. Bye.